What's up? I hope everyone is doing okay. Oh, are you? So it's raining, it's a rainy day, but I decided to come in the backyard to pick some sweet pepper. Look at the sweet peppers, guys. Look here. So I'm going to be picking some sweet peppers. So give this video a thumbs up, alright? Thank you so much. Okay guys, so this is what I got today so far in this beautiful rain. I got me a nice bundle of callaloo. I got some okra, some sweet pepper and some scotch bonnet hot pepper. Please remember to comment on this video and like the video and share it out if it's your first time here. Don't forget to subscribe and push notifications bell. It will alert you every time when I post a new video. Put God first in everything that you're doing. Acknowledge the Lord. It's a beautiful thing, you know guys, to have it by yourself. Take care of yourselves, be kind to yourselves, so you don't have to show kindness to others. Walk good, be good, do good, and they will always follow you. And I'm gonna see you again. Bye.